Ever clicked a link that went nowhere? That's what happens when you forget the href attribute. The href attribute on an anchor element specifies the URL or destination that the link points to. The name href is short for hypertext reference. When you write an anchor tag within href, you're telling the browser where to send the user when they click that link. Without it, your anchor element isn't really a link at all. The href attribute accepts several types of values. You can use absolute URLs that include the full web address, like https://example.com. Relative paths point to pages within your own site, like /about or /contact. Fragment identifiers using the hash symbol jump to specific sections on the same page. And special protocols like mail-to-: or tel: open email clients or trigger phone calls. Here's how it works. When a user clicks an anchor element, the browser reads the href value, resolves it to a full URL, and navigates to that destination. This is the core interaction pattern that powers the entire web. What if you leave out the href? Without an href attribute, the anchor element loses its clickable behavior. It won't have the default link cursor, and clicking it does nothing. It's essentially just text. Remember, the href attribute transforms an anchor element into a functional link by defining its destination. That's what makes the web navigable. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.